So we're here today at Knoebels Amusement Park. Knoebels is a very interesting park because it is free admission. So basically you get a little wristband if you want to ride all day, or you could pay per ride, or you could just not pay anything. Not a bad deal. Look at this little guy. Creepy. Is that your friend? Here's the North Pole.
It's leaking.
It's melting. It's not leaking, it's melting. It's icy. It's cold. It's the flying turns at Knoebels. The only one of these in the world. It is a trackless roller coaster. So we just went on the flying turns, and next is the Phoenix. Interesting thing about the Phoenix, last time we went on it, RP3 lost a tooth.
I was flying and I hurt my butt cheeks.
You hurt your butt cheeks? How'd you hurt your butt cheeks?
I was like this. We were all like this.
Here's my question. He says he's roasting at the backyard barbecue. Why is he so happy? He's roasting. He's about to be eaten. Halloween decorations aplenty. This guy right here, he was looking for gemstones, but he found some bones. This right here is a 10-ton lump of coal. That's a big piece of coal. It's kind of neat. They made little steps. You can walk up these little tiny steps up into the train.
What's everything they all do?
They changed the valves. That's how you drive the train. You move these valves and that's how you drive the train.
How do you open them?
It's pretty cool. Chugga 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 choo choo. About to go on the Black Diamond Mining Company ride. I'm not sure what it is though. I think it may be a roller coaster. I'll let you know. Alright, so that was kind of like a roller coaster. Like it was a roller coaster, but it was super slow. Like the brakes were on the whole time. Much more of like a dark ride. It was awesome. Really cool stuff in there. Went through Centralia. Now we gotta find RP3 and get him to go on it because it was good. Good.
That's a real piece of coal.
The Knoebels History Museum. This little school bus was on the German carousel that came from Dorney Park. Imagine that. Small world. A lot of different stuff in here. And lots of stuff. Everywhere you look.
Its nearly unanimous findings formed, including a 10% wage increase for emphasized workers.
Oh boy. I'm lost already. Hey buddy. Do you know how to get out of here? There's a pretty cool looking mural. Hey, that's the ride we were just on. I feel like they've been on the tilt-a-whirl forever. It just keeps going and going and going and it's finally stopping. It's stopping. Quite a few attractions here. Nice little park. Look at the little pumpkin ghost. He's a pumpkin ghost monster. This one's not quite ready to run. It's missing some pieces. I don't know what kind of ride it is, but we're gonna do the roller coaster and the sky ride. One problem with Knoebels is the creek, the little river that runs through it, tends to flood. But it is interesting because they put these little markers all over the park. This particular one is where the 2011, where the water reached. That's pretty high, but it was not the highest. Next up is this sky ride. See, this is what I'm talking about. That's not actually part of the amusement park. There is no outside perimeter fence. There's a roller coaster. And here's a road. Pretty cool. We wanted to ride the boats, but as you can see, looking from the water, they're not running. Ew, that's icky. Icky. This guy in the ticket booth here, I think, gave up on collecting tickets. Pretty sure he's dead tired. This little skeleton band is pretty cool. And good thing for the little drummer over here, if he ever loses his sticks, he's got plenty of spare parts he could use. Going on the Scenic Skyway. We're gonna go all the way up there. Way up there. Little feet dangling above the sky ride.
Straight up.
We're going all the way up there. We're stopped. We're above the road and we're stopped. Oh, we're going again. It's okay.
Look, that motorcycle has a spider on it.
That motorcycle does have a spider on it. That's pretty cool.
And 3 wheels.
Hey, look at this. Look at this little skeleton down here.
He's on a slide.
He's on a slide. Look at this little guy. He's just chilling out, going down the slide, and we're going over him. Oh, bye, skeleton.
Ah, I see it.
Oh, it's skeleton.
Oh, look at the spider got somebody.
Wow.
The spider got somebody.
And it covered it.
There's a lot of bones up here, dude. Look at that. Ready to turn? Ready to turn?
We're higher than the tree.
Oh, look how high we are.
Oh, we're so high.
Oh, this is a pretty high lift
Look,
here.
you can see the thing that I lost my tooth on.
Nope, that's the other one. You didn't ride that one.
It looks the same.
That's the other roller coaster. You should go on it. You would like
Roller
coaster?
Yeah.
Record the roller coaster.
They're going so fast.
There he goes.
They're going so
There he
fast.
goes. He's going up the hill. Yep, he's going up the hill,
No,
and
it's
now
a
he's
she.
going.
They're she.
Oh, it's she's. The carts are she's. Here it goes down. Whee!
Loop-de-loop.
Watching the roller coaster from the sky ride.
Loop-de-loop. Look, they're gonna do a loop-de-loop.
Whee!
It's Maggie on that.
No. Whoa! You want to ride that?
No.
Run! Run on the little feet! Run on the little feet! Run on the little feet! This little ride's kind of neat. They actually swing up and go around the corners. Look! Whee! Next, we're gonna go on this Ferris wheel that is booking it. Look at this thing. This thing is fast. Fast and super duper high.
I'm 12 years old now.
All jokes aside, this ride is forever. We have been on this thing for like
5 years.
he says 5 years, not quite 5 years, but it's been a while. He says he's 11 now. We've been in here for 4 years, but it just keeps going and going and going, and I think we're stopping.
Oh.
Nah, we're not stopping. Choo-choo! This park is full of bridges. Look at them all. I'm on one. There's one there, and there's one behind it, plus more. So it started out as an old swimming hole. That's how it was all started. This Stony Cables building was built in 1933. Currently a fudge shop. It was originally a little cottage. This is the lighthouse, built in the mid-1930s. The tree is in the way. I'm thinking they weren't as big as they are now. Here's all the different flood levels. (2011) and 1972 are the winners. That's pretty high. Taller than me. Way taller than me. This is a very interesting trash dispenser. You feed the piggy. Hey, don't climb on him.
Chicken.
Yo, don't beat him up. Look, we're just hanging out with our friend Clown over here. Don't hurt him.
He's not even real.
Yes, he is. You're gonna hurt his feelings.
What?
This little doggy's been naughty. He stole this poor guy's arm. Hey, get down from there. He's not listening to the rules. He's excited because there's nobody in line. The park is closing and Flying Turns is empty.
Us and them are going to be the last ones on Yellow of the year.
We're the last riders of the year.
On Yellow.
On Yellow.
And them.
Well, at total, there's nobody behind us. Look. There's nobody behind us. We're the last ones to go on for the year.
Welcome back to the front. Your seatbelt, load them up.
Are your feet on the feet? Are your feet on the feet? My feet are on the feet. Are your feet on the feet? The bridge is covered with everyone's names. They actually let you do some graffiti here. Everything is closing for 2019. That is it. The season is over. It's closed. Very empty. Gives off an abandoned feel. Creepy amusement park. Not really. Good place. And that was it. There was our trip to Knoebels. It was fun. We were only here a few hours. Got a lot done. There wasn't a lot of people here. The day turned out beautiful. Because it started out terrible. There was a lot of rain this morning. But it's nice now. There's a dinosaur right there.
You can't see me because of the little hair.
You're there.
I know. You can't see. I can't see me because of the little hair.
There's a dinosaur right there.